Hi viewers, evaluate integral 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x power 4. It is a improper integral involved only a polynomial function. Let us see the solution. Let f of z equal to 1 by z 1 plus z power 4. The poles of f of z are given by the roots of the equation z power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Z power 4 equal to minus 1. Z equal to minus 1 the whole power 1 by 4. When did you get minus 1? Cos pi, cos 3 pi, cos 5 pi, etc. It is an odd term. So Z equal to cos 2n plus 1 pi plus I sin 2n plus 1 pi the whole power 1 plus 1. Z equal to e power 2n plus 1 pi I by 4 where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, z equal to e power pi I by 4, e power 3 pi I by 4, e power 5 pi I by 4, e power 7 pi I by 4 are all symbol poles. These two values are inside the circle. These two terms are outside the circle. The poles f of z lies inside the circle. We choose a contour consist of a closed interval minus r to r on the real axis and the upper semicircle modulus of z equal to r, that is integral c f of z dz is equal to integral minus r to r f of x dx. It is a real line plus integral c1 f of z dz. It is a upper semicircle. Sum of the upper semicircle and the real line is equal to the contour C. Therefore, to evaluate the residue value of inside the circle, the residue of f of z at the point e power I pi by 4 is equal to h of z divided by k dash of z, where h of z equal to 1 and k of z equal to z power 4 plus 1. Therefore, k dash of z equal to 4z cube. At that point, h of e power I pi by 4 divided by k dash of e power I pi by 4 is equal to h of e pi I pi by 4 value is 1. Then k dash of e I pi by 4 power 4 by 4 value is 4 e power I 3 pi by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 e power minus I 3 pi by 4. Similarly, residue of f of z at the point e power I 3 pi by 4 is equal to e power minus I 9 pi by 4. By Gaussian residue theorem, integral c f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I of residue of f of z at the point e power I pi by 4 plus residue of f of z at the point e power I 3 pi by 4. This is equal to 2 pi I of e power minus 3 pi I by 4 divided by 4 plus e power minus I 9 pi by 4 divided by 4 equal to 2 pi I by 4 of cos 3 pi by 4 minus I sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 9 pi by 4 minus I sin 9 pi by 4 equal to pi I by 2 of cos 3 pi by 4 value minus 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2 plus this value of 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2. Simplify that my equal to my pi I by 2 into cancelling this term minus 2I by root 2. This term equal to pi by root 2. From 1 equation 1 integral minus r to r dx by 1 plus x power 4 plus integral c1 f of z dz is equal to this value pi by root 2. As r tends to infinity, integral c1 f of z dz tends to 0. Therefore, integral minus r tends to infinity, minus infinity to infinity dx divided by 1 plus x power 4 equal to pi by root 2. It is a even function. Since f of minus x equal to f of x, here 1 by 1 plus x power 4. It is a even function. Therefore, 2 into integral 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x power 4 equal to pi by root 2. Therefore, integral 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x power 4 equal to pi by 2 root 2. Thank you.